Welcome friends! Today I'm going to make personalized t-shirts with washable markers. To start the project, I'm taking a white t-shirt and use the washable markers to start my drawing or my writings on it. So first of all, you have to figure it out what do you want to write on it. So as you saw, I put a notebook under the t-shirt so the color should transfer to the back of the t-shirt. And then I started to write down whatever was in my mind. These colors can be transferred to the back of the t-shirt very easily, so don't forget to put a notebook, a cardboard or anything in between the t-shirt, the front and the back of the t-shirt. So let's just put it inside and start your drawing after that. And you can wash these colors anytime you want. Just be creative with it. If even you messed up the whole project, don't worry about it, just wash it and redo the project. So today I'm going to make 3 t-shirts right now for dad, mom and the baby. This is for Eid, but you can make it for any event, for Christmas, New Year, or just anytime you want, like Mother's Day, Father's Day, or even Children's Day. Why not? So here for the second t-shirt, I want to show you how to start your drawings on a very stretchy t-shirt. So the mom's t-shirt is very stretchy and a drawing on it really is hard because it's stretchy and it will spread the color. So I'm just doing it like very slowly. Here you can see just I'm stretching the fabric once and then start drawing over it, or just make small dots and go on with the joining the dots one by one. I hope you like this project and would love to see if you implement this kind of method on your personalized t-shirts. Please don't forget to comment below if you will make a t-shirt just like this, and please hit the like button if you like my project. Thank you so much for watching.